Hello everyone, this is the drafting saddle seat from BuyDirectOnline. As you can see from the box there, it says Solitaire Seating. That is the Australian manufacturer, but they distribute these chairs through BuyDirectOnline. This video will take you through information regarding to the box and the assembly of this particular chair and the adjustments and how to use this chair. To open this box you will need a Stanley knife. I've got one of them with me today. Pretty simple, just cut along the sections of tape. Careful not to cut yourself. Opens like so. Now that's very well packaged. You can see there's a lot of bubble wrap and a lot of foam in there. On the side here we've got the Allen key, which is an interesting spot. It's ease of access. So we'll just pop the knife away. We have the cover for the base. Now we have the gas lift. Now this gas lift has a little protection cap on the top. This is just to make sure it doesn't spring out in transport. You need to remove that before you put together this chair. Next we have the seat. Got a nice protective cover on it. We need to remove the seat out of this cover. As you can see from the bottom, it has the 4 bolts and the washers in here, so that you don't have to go looking for the bits and pieces in the box. The instructions. We have the drafting ring. Now this is in bubble wrap, so it doesn't get damaged. It's nice. Put one down there. We have the base here. Now this is packaged very nicely. This one has the casters left on. Now pretty simple. If yours doesn't come with casters on it, take it off. But they're very simple to put on. You have the hole there. What you need to do, put it into the hole, a little bit of pressure, and you hear a little click. That means that it's in correctly. Now, nice. Next, we have the mechanism. Now, I'll pull that out of a bit of foam here, packaged very nicely. So, time to put this together. We'll need the Allen key. So, you can just pull the Allen key out of this thing. Very good that they supply you with an Allen key, because you don't want to be running around trying to look for an Allen key. Waste of time. So we have the seat. What we need to do is remove these bolts. So you undo them a little each, and then you can undo the rest with your fingers just to save time. Need to take the washer with the bolt as well. Very simple. Unscrew these. Now this is where the mechanism comes into play. You'll need to put this on correctly. So as you can see, that's the front of the saddle there. This body weight tensioner goes right at the front of the seat, so that you can adjust the tension while you are sitting on the seat. So line the mechanism up with the holes, pop all 4 in, make sure you don't do one up, make sure that all 4 are in correctly before you start doing that properly. Next, Allen key, tighten them up. It's pretty simple. See, it's not taking me too long. Then you can go back over them and tighten them up even more just to make it stronger. Up to you. Important to make sure though they are all in before you tighten one up, because you don't want to get one more tight and then have to undo it because the others don't align with the holes. So that's very simple. Mechanism attached to the chair. Okay, so next we have the gas lift. Now, what happens with this gas lift is that you put this on first, so just a little cover, then you pop the gas lift on, just slides in like that. Then we get the drafting ring, and this will go over the top of the gas lift. Now you may need to undo this tension a little to get it down onto the gas lift. Totally up to you. You can put that whatever height necessary. Now, attach the mechanism to the gas lift. All you need to do is align the top of the gas lift with the hole. Pretty simple. On it goes. Easy as that. Now I'll just lower this a little. Totally up to you where you put this, depending on your height. Now, time to test it out. On the side here, we have the up and down. Now, as you can see, it will go very high, meaning you can put your feet wherever you need them. You can leave this at any height, totally up to you. On the side here, we have the tilt for the seat. Now, depending on how your body weight tension has been set, and if you're a larger person or a taller person, you will need to adjust this tensioner. It basically just makes it tilt a little freer, and then you can tighten it up if it's just too free. Totally up to you. Lock that in position just by pushing that down. There you have it. The drafting saddle seat. More details as to how to use this seat can be accessed on the BuyDirectOnline website. That is www.buydirectonline.com.au. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is the drafting saddle seat from BuyDirectOnline. As you can see from the box there, it says Solitaire Seating. That is the Australian manufacturer, but they distribute these chairs through BuyDirectOnline. This video will take you through information relating to the box and the assembly of this particular chair and the adjustments and how to use this chair. To open this box you will need a Stanley knife. I've got one of them with me today. Pretty simple, just cut along the sections of tape. Careful not to cut yourself.